Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, dear students. This is teacher Adam. And so today, inshallah, we have a new lesson. So our new lesson is we're going to read a letter, and the letter is entitled Dear Mother. Dear Mother. But before we start the reading, as a reading session, we're going to read a letter entitled Dear Mother. But before we read our letter here, we're going to go through this, inshallah. This is an assignment that I want all the students to go do it and send me on WhatsApp, or you can send me on I think on WhatsApp is the best place to send it to me. Go to the Facebook page, the page number, the page name. You get it from our previous lesson 58, and then have an access and get my number from the Facebook page, and then DM me or direct message me on my WhatsApp, to send the assignment. So today's assignment is, so here we have a place here, British Columbia, cool, snowing. So it's two people, she is calling, and they're receiving the call. You see, they're calling these people, and then there's two women. These two women, they say no skiing, so they can't ski. British Columbia, cool, snowing. And these people, they're in Tahiti, hot, sunny. Marka inta yarbaan dulmarana inta waxa weeyaan waa assignment, waa shaqo aad ka soo shaqeynaysaa hadda la yiraahdo. Facebook page ka numberkay ka soo qaatay, WhatsApp kay u soo dira. Dadana waan ka saxay hadda la yiraahdo. British Columbia, cool, snowing. Tahiti, hot, sunny. You are on vacation. Marka waxaad ku jirtaan fasax oo safar aad tegisaan, meel baad u fasax tegisaan. You are on vacation. Vacation baad ku jirtaan, meel baad u safarteen, fasaxaad ka faa'iidaysanaysaan. And the weather is terrible. Jawigan aad buu xun yahay. Call a student in your class. And arday aad saaxiibatihiin fasalkaaga ku jira, garaac oo wac. Use the conversation above as a guide. Conversation kan waxaan ku raad isticmaalaysaa qaabkan oo kala qoraysaa adigoo ka caawinaya waqtiga xun aad qaadateen, meesha safarka aad u tagteen, fasaxa inaad ku soo qaadataan. Marka inta weel ka doonaya marka sheeko yaro inta soo kala sameeyo hadda la yiraahdo, and you can send me on my WhatsApp. You're going to send the message privately if you want to. And so let's continue. So tonight our lesson is on Dear Mother. Marka waa warqad and ay gabadha u qortay and hooyadeed u qortay. Dear Mother, hooyo qaali. Marka Dear Mother hooyo hooyadii qaaliga ahayday oo kala way. Dear Mother, ummat, like something, I don't know in Arabic what do you say. Dear Mother, hooyadii qaaliga ahayday. Dear Mother. It's such a beautiful thing to say. Dear Mother. You can say dear brother, you can say dear sister, you can say dear whatever, dear father, whatever. But it's so beautiful when you say dear mother. The most beautiful things go so nicely with the name Mother. I'm so obsessed with the name Mother. Nothing is like your mom. Do you know that no one is like your mom? Such a beautiful human being she is. There she is. She's received the letter. She's reading the letter now. Royal Sludge Hotel. Royal Sludge Hotel. So the hotel that they add is called Royal Sludge. Royal Sludge Hotel. Royal Sludge Hotel. Royal Sludge Hotel. Marka waa magaca and hotelka ay ku soo degeen magaciisa weeye. Dear Mother. Dear Mother. Hooyadii qaaliga ahayday. I'm writing from our hotel at Sludge Beach. Ralph and I are on vacation with the children for a few days. We are happy to be here, but to tell the truth, we are having a few problems. The weather isn't very good. In fact, it's cold and cloudy. Right now, I'm looking out the window and it's raining cats and dogs. The children aren't very happy. In fact, they're bored and they're having a terrible time. Right now, They're sitting on the bed, playing tic-tac-toe and watching TV. The restaurants here are expensive and the food isn't very good. In fact, Ralph is at a clinic right now. He's having problems with his stomach. You know, this is the family. They're having a meal together. So, this. All of them are together. This is the waiter. He's just brought them some food. They're eating together. And this is the boy, the young boy. He's having problems at his stomach. The food he ate wasn't good. So he had some food poisoning. He's touching his stomach. He's in pain. And this is the doctor or the nurse trying to help the kid. And this is the Royal Sludge Hotel. This is the hotel. And this is a man, a repairman. He's trying to repair the bathroom. So let's continue. All the other hotels here are beautiful and new. Our hotel is ugly. And it's very, very old. In fact, right now, a repair person is fixing the bathroom sink. So, mother, we're having a few problems here at Sludge Beach. But we're happy. We're happy to be on vacation. And we're happy to be together. See you soon. Love, Ethel. Marka, ومعنانيا Dear mother, hooyadeed qaaliga ahayday, I'm writing from our hotel at Sludge Beach. I'm writing from our hotel. Waxaan warqadan ka soo qorayaa hotel maxaan ku raday hotelkayaga ka hadda ay degan yihiin way at Sludge Beach. Goobtana Sludge Beach way. Beach waa xeebta oo meel xeeba. Beach oo meel xeeba. Ralph and I marka PH ka marka isku xigaan waxa la aqriyaa Ralph and I are on vacation. Aniga iyo Ralph waxaan ku jirnaa fasax meel baan tagnay with the children for a few days. Ciyaalkii baa nala socda. Marka Ralph iyo iyada marka waa qoys weeye waa nin iyo ciyaalkii bay kaxayeen fasax meel bay tageen. We are happy to be here. Waan ku faraxsanay inaan halkan joogno. But to tell the truth, laakiin runta haddaan sheego, we are having a few problems. Waxaa jira dhibaatooyin dhowr dhibaato ayaan haysata. Dhowr mashaakil ayaan haysata. We are having a few problems. Dhibaatooyin iyo mushkiladaha dad maxaa ku raada haday jiraan oo ku haysta waxaad oran kartaa we are having a few problems. We are having a few problems. We are having mashaakil dhibaatooyin ku haysta hadii aad u tir badan waxaad oranaysaa we are having many problems. We are having many problems. But now, because the problems are not many, they're few, we say we are having a few problems. The weather isn't very good. The weather isn't very good. Jawiga ma wanaagsana. In fact, it's cold. And dabahanti, in fact, what dabahanti, it's cold. Well, qabow barafa and cloudy. What daruur tordhan cirkay xidhay marka waxba lama arkayo madow baa jira. Like mugdi weeye. Right now, imika, I'm looking out the window. daaqadan maxaa ku dabadan eegaya daaqada ayaan furay dabadan eegaya and it's raining cats and dogs. Roob aad marka raining cats and dogs waxa weeye waa roob aad u weyn weeye waa roob aad u weyn roob mahiigaan ba iska dhig cats and dogs marka waxa weeye macnahan cats and dogs ma waxa laga wadaa hadda tiraado oh today it's raining cats and dogs macnaheedu waxa weeye roob aad u weyn ayaa daaya weeye. Right now, I'm looking out the window and it's raining cats and dogs. The children aren't very happy. عيالك ما فرحسنا. They're sad. In fact, they are bored. Dabahanti, they are bored. We're عاجزين and they're having a terrible time. وقتيغوغن ووقتي آدحون أنا جعليسانين. Right now, إمريكا, they are sitting on the bed. وحكودوا الفرديان and سريرتي كودوا الفرديان. Playing tic-tac-toe. waxay ciyaarayaan tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe ciyaarta halka ka muuqata markaasna halka ciyaarta halka ka muuqata waxaa la yiraahdaa tic-tac-toe. Marka waa ciyaalka ciyaara marka waqtiga lagu lumiyaa they play. It's called tic-tac-toe and watching TV. waxayna daawanayaan TV. The restaurants and hotelada meelaha maxaa ku meelaha madaacimta meelaha wax laga cuno it's called restaurants. The restaurants here are expensive. Well, قالي أنت لا ما عنك أنا وحول بقالي ويا and the food isn't very good and the food أنت ذا isn't very good أنت صوصفي عن ما واحد وقالي واحد رأينه تيل لي هي وناكسين لكن قالي نويتي ما نوناكسنا ددك ما في عنا. In fact طبعا أنت Ralph is at a clinic right now. clinic وحلا وا إسبيتالير أما دكتورير أي clinic ليه هذا In fact, Ralph, inanka Ralph is ama maxaa ku raada mala waa xaajigeeda haya waa xaajigeeda haya xaajigeeda Ralph is at a clinic right now and isbitaal ama dhakhtar yar ayuu inanka ku sugan yahay. He's having problems with his stomach. xogaa caloosha laga haya caloosha xanuunaysa. He's having problems with this. You can say I'm having problems with my stomach. I'm having problems with my stomach. macnaheedu waa maxay caloosha xanuunaysa wey. He's having problems with his stomach. caloosha laga haya caloosha xanuunaysa. You see, this is Ralph. This is the father, and these are the children, and this is the woman, the mother. He's eaten some food, and he got some stomach problems. Poor man. He's holding his tummy, his stomach. He's in pain, and there's a nurse trying to help him. Oh, poor man. Sorry. Royal Sludge Hotel. Marka, goobtii ku sugan waa ka. Way qurux badanta laakiin ma sii wanaagsana. And this is a repairman or repair person. Waa ka u hagaajinaya. This is a sink. Bathroom ku jira sink ayuu hagaajinaya. Meesha maxaan ku raadaaye lagu gacmaha la iskaga meedho waxa la yiraahdaa in English is called it sink. Af Soomaali waxa lagu yiraahdaa talo. Hoos ku soo qora insha Allah, comment ku soo qora. Waxa halka af Soomaali lagu yiraahdaa English waxa lagu yiraahdaa sink. Waa goobta lagu farxasho. Suuliga iyo kitchadaba way leeyihiin. All the other hotels marka hoteelada kale here are beautiful. Way qurux badan yihiin and new wayna cusub yihiin. Kan laakiin maana qurux badna and waana duug waa hore weeye. Our hotel is ugly. Ma hotelka iyaga is ugly. Wuu furxun yahay and it's very very old. waana duug waa qadiimi waa goor hore wey wax laga soo tagay wey. In fact dhab ahaantii right now imika a repair person and mid wax hagaajiya ka meelaha hagaajiyo maxaa ku meelaha cilada ka hagaajiya ayaa la yiraahdaa repair person. Right now a repair person is fixing the bathroom sink. wuxuu cilad bixinaya ama hagaajinaya the bathroom sink and meesha lagu farxasho ee suuliga ku dhex taala ayuu cilad bixinaya ama uu hagaajinaya. So it's not good. So mother, hooyo, we're having a few problems here. Dhibaatooyin dhowr dhibaato ayaan halkan maxaan ku raadana nagu haysataa at Sludge Beach. Hampton Sludge Beach la yiraahdo. But we are happy. Laakiin hooyo, waan faraxsanay. We are happy to be on vacation. Waan faraxsanay waayo we are on vacation. Fasax baan ku jiraa, meel safar baan tagnay, meel qurux badan baan tagnay and we are happy together. And we are happy to be together. waxa kale oo faraxsanahay waan wada joognaa. Marka qof walba qofka marka dhibaatooyin xitaa uu ku jiro waa inuu meel wanaagsan ka arkaa. Eeg dhibaatooyin bay soo sheegtay haddana wanaagi bay sheegtay. Marka madow lama arko. waxyaabaha cadcad iyo quruxdana waa la arkaa. We are happy to be on vacation and we are happy together. We are happy to be together. waxaad aragtaa we are happy to be together. We are happy to be together. We are happy to be together. waxaan ku faraxsanahay inaanu wada joogno. and iyadii iyo wadaadkeygii xaajigeedii iyo ciyaalkii way wada joogaan. inay wada joogaan kaliya waa farxad. inay fasax tageen meel ay tageen meel ku cusub iyaga aan hore kaba soqaanay hore u tagin iyadana waa farxad. marka farxadaha aragsan murugooyinka waad u aragto. See you soon. marka wayla liqaa way mar dambe waxaan ku raadin dhawaan ayaan insha Allah kulmi doonaa way. Love. marka warqadan waxaa la informal letter. warqadaha laba loo qaybiyaa waan dhigan doonaa insha Allah formal letter iyo informal letter. Formal letter warqadaha xafiisyada iyo shaqooyinka kaba soo qaad tusaale. And informal letter waxa weeye warqadaha loo qoro asxaabta loo qoro saaxiibka wada qoraysa saaxiibada wada qoraysa ama waxaad u qoraysa Allahu musta'an ama familka oo sanada ama asxaabta ayaa loo qoraa and informal letterka. Love marka marka dambe soo qoraysa love Ethel. marka gabadha qortay baa la yiraahdaa Ethel. marka wax su'aal dad qabtaan anything that you do not understand, please write in the comment section. You ask me teacher, you said that a word I didn't quite grasp it, so what is the meaning? marka had erey had xogaa madow ka galo and so weydii, I'm more than willing to answer it back for you. Hey, let's do it again. I'm going to do the reading again. Royal Sludge Hotel. Dear mother, I'm writing from our hotel at Sludge Beach. Ralph and I are on vacation with the children for a few days. We are happy to be here, but to tell the truth, we are having a few problems. The weather isn't very good. In fact, it's cold and cloudy. Right now, I'm looking out the window and it's raining cats and dogs. The children aren't very happy. In fact, they are bored and they are having a terrible time. Right now, they're sitting on the bed playing tic-tac-toe and watching TV. The restaurants here are expensive and the food isn't very good. In fact, Ralph is at a clinic right now. He's having problems with his stomach. So you see here, this is the family. This is the young girl, the young daughter. Oh, this is the young boy, this is the young daughter. And this is the man, the father. And this is the woman, the mother. And this is her husband. His name is Ralph. Because he ate some food. He got some food poisoning. He's having some stomach problems. He's holding his belly or his stomach. He's in great pain. Poor man. He's sick. This is the hotel they are. This is a repair person trying to fix the sink. So let's continue. Continued. Right up there. Continued. All the other hotels here are beautiful and new. Our hotel is ugly. And it's very, very old. In fact, right now, a repair person is fixing the bathroom sink. So, mother, we're having a few problems here at Sludge Beach, but we're happy. We are happy to be on vacation, and we're happy to be together. See you soon. Love, Ethel. So, dear students, I'm so happy to have read you a letter, a very beautiful letter that a girl or a daughter wrote to her mother, herself a mother of some children. So it was so beautiful, it was so nice, it was so moving, and it was, she wrote something very good. So please, if you can write, and when you do a lesson, please write it in your notebook, read it again and again and again in case you have some problems here and there, you don't understand a sentence or you don't understand a word. I'll be more than willing to answer it for you. Please post it on the comment section of our YouTube channel. And I leave you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Till we meet next time. Bye bye, dear students.